Are you struggling to make thumbnails in Scratch? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make eye-catching thumbnails in just 5 minutes. These thumbnails skyrocketed my Scratch views, and if you copy me, it will be the same for you. First of all, go to the project where you want the thumbnail. After that, add a sprite. This sprite will be your thumbnail. Now, designing a thumbnail is quite hard. You could just use Scratch built-in editor, or you could use Canva, a photo editor designed purely for beginners. Now, after you finish your picture, your thumbnail, all you have to do is just add one tiny piece of code. You just have to do when green flag clicked, show, wait 0.1 seconds, then after that, hide. Now you may be wondering, how does this tiny piece of code generate a whole entire thumbnail? Well, easily, Scratch just generates the thumbnail automatically of the first thing that comes up on your screen. So the first thing that comes up is this thumbnail here for 0.1 seconds. Scratch will make this the thumbnail. Now that you've added a thumbnail to your Scratch project, it's going to get lots of views, favorites, and hearts, and might even end up on this For You page. If you want to learn more about these super cool Scratch hacks, make sure to like and subscribe to this video.